This short guide shows how to buy shares of Cabot Corporation, ticker CBT. Cabot is a specialty chemicals and performance materials company listed on NASDAQ, and this is educational content only, not financial advice. To trade, you must use a broker, and I'll use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After registering, you will need to verify your account, usually with an ID document, and add funds before you can buy. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker CBT to locate Cabot Corporation. Choose the listing that indicates NASDAQ to ensure you have the correct stock. On the stock page, review the basic company information and inspect the price chart for recent movement. Confirm the ticker CBT in NASDAQ exchange to be sure it is the intended asset. Click Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to commit, then carefully review the order details and confirm the transaction. If the market is closed, your order may be scheduled for the next session, and if your account balance is insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add funds before confirming. After execution, the position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. For convenience, the eToro link is in the description, and remember, this video is educational only.